Hey guys, how are you? This is Luis Cardenas from Coldwell Banker, and I'm excited to share with you this new listing in Long Beach, New York. Long Beach is in the south shore of Long Island. It's a great area to live all year round. We're right now at the boardwalk, one of the most iconic places with the beach to our right. The boardwalk is about 2 miles span, and it's a great space to keep healthy, meet with friends, and just look at the sunset. So let's check out this great listing. So we're here at the newly renovated outdoor area with an in-ground heated pool and private access to the beach. So just as I stated before, one of the great things about this building is the private access. We're just a half block away from the boardwalk, but look how close we are to the beach. So welcome to the unit 6B at 650 Shore Road in Long Beach. We walk right into this living room area, tons of space. Look at the size of this couch, enormous. This area is excellent for reading, tons of sunlight coming in, and that leads us up to our main event, a 40-foot balcony with excellent views of the ocean and the beach. As we keep going, we have a dining room and kitchen. This whole apartment was renovated about a year ago, and it has everything you want to see: shaker cabinets, subway tile, black marble, and all the gold accents with brand new appliances. As a junior 4 unit, you get an extra space, which is this. Most people turn it into an office or a second bedroom. Check out the hardwood floors. Like I said before, storage in every room. Now, you have a fully renovated bathroom with a whirlpool, subway tile, and all the great accents. Now the master bedroom has 2 closets, one of them being a walk-in closet. As you can see, tons of space for king-size bed and another access to our 40-foot balcony. Thank you so much for coming and checking out the tour. Bye-bye.